In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Brevo, and we'll get this done in about 5 minutes. If you're looking to effectively manage your contacts and streamline communication, then understanding how to add contacts to your CRM is an essential task. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening a new tab in your preferred web browser. Once you've done this, type Brevo into your search bar. Brevo is your CRM tool for managing customer relationships smoothly, making the next steps an integral part of maintaining those connections. Once your search results populate, look for the first link related to Brevo and click on it. This should take you directly to the Brevo homepage, where we'll proceed to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one, but today, let's assume you already have your login credentials ready to go. After you've successfully logged in, find and navigate to the CRM section. Within the CRM menu, click on Contacts. This area of Brevo is where you manage all your existing and future contacts, a crucial component for staying organized and engaged with your audience. Located in the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a button labeled Create a Contact. Clicking this will bring up a new page or a pop-up where you will enter the details for your new contact. This is the heart of the process, where you'll be inputting important information. Now, you'll need to fill in the details such as the contact's name and email address. Don't stop there, though. As much additional information as possible, like phone numbers or company details, could be pivotal in categorizing and communicating with your contacts efficiently in the future. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your contact list is, the more valuable it becomes. Once all the relevant information has been entered, take a moment to review your input for accuracy. A small mistake here can lead to communication challenges down the road. The last thing you want is to send emails to incorrect addresses or have outdated phone numbers when you need to make a quick call. With everything in order, scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see the Create button. Clicking this button adds the contact you've just created to your list. A quick but essential step, it finalizes the process and ensures your contact is securely stored and ready for any future interaction or campaign. That's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a new contact to your Brevo CRM, setting the stage for smooth and effective communication. Maintain this list, update it regularly, and you'll always be prepared to engage with your contacts effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!